Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome to a new era of gardening where space constraints are no longer a barrier. Ever wished for a greener thumb or more space to unleash your inner gardener? Vertical gardens are the perfect solution for urban dwellers and those with limited outdoor areas. Well, you're in the right place. This guide will take you on an exciting journey into vertical gardening. Imagine transforming bare walls into lush green canvases. Get ready to discover innovative techniques and practical tips to transform even the tiniest of spaces into vibrant vertical gardens. From selecting the right plants to understanding the best watering systems, we've got you covered. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a complete novice, vertical gardening offers something for everyone. It's an inclusive hobby that brings people together, fostering a sense of community and shared passion. It's a fantastic way to bring nature indoors and outdoors, adding a touch of green magic to your surroundings. Imagine the joy of having fresh herbs at your fingertips, or vibrant flowers brightening up your living space. So put on your gardening gloves, grab your tools, and let's embark on this vertical adventure together. We'll explore different styles, from simple DIY projects to elaborate designs. Are you ready to turn your walls into works of art and your balconies into blooming paradises? Let's get started and make your gardening dreams come true. Living walls, also known as green walls, are breathtaking vertical gardens that instantly transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Imagine a cascade of lush greenery adorning your living room wall, or a vibrant tapestry of plants gracing your balcony. These stunning vertical gardens not only enhance the aesthetics of your surroundings, but also offer a plethora of benefits. From purifying the air we breathe to boosting our mood and well-being, living walls are a testament to the remarkable power of nature. So why not invite nature indoors and experience the magic of living walls for yourself? Creating your own living wall might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. With a bit of guidance and some creativity, you can transform any space into a lush green sanctuary. With a little planning and these easy-to-follow steps, you'll have your very own vertical oasis in no time. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, this guide will help you every step of the way. Step 1. Choose your location and structure. Select a well-lit area with access to water. This could be an outdoor wall, a balcony, or even an indoor space with plenty of natural light. You can either purchase a pre-made living wall system or build your own using materials like wooden pallets, PVC pipes, or recycled plastic bottles. The choice depends on your budget and the look you want to achieve. Step 2. Gather your materials. You'll need a waterproof membrane to protect your wall, a growing medium like coco coir or peat moss to support plant roots, plants suited to your environment, and a watering system if necessary. Don't forget tools like scissors, gloves, and a trowel. Step 3. Plant your vertical garden. Attach the waterproof membrane to your chosen structure. This will prevent water damage and keep your plants healthy. Fill the pockets or containers with growing medium and carefully plant your chosen plants. Make sure to space them out properly to allow for growth and airflow. Step 4. Water and maintain. Water your living wall regularly, ensuring the growing medium stays moist but not waterlogged. Consistent watering is key to a thriving vertical garden. Fertilize every few weeks to keep your plants happy and thriving. Use a balanced fertilizer suitable for the types of plants you've chosen. Remember, building a living wall is a labor of love. Take your time, enjoy the process, and watch as your vertical garden flourishes. The effort you put in will be rewarded with a beautiful green space that brings joy and tranquility to your environment. Short on space but yearn for a touch of green? Pocket gardens are the perfect solution. These miniature vertical gardens are ideal for small balconies, patios, or even indoor walls. Create your own pocket garden using a variety of materials like fabric shoe organizers, hanging planters, or repurposed wooden crates. Choose shallow-rooted plants like succulents, herbs, or trailing flowers that thrive in confined spaces. Pocket gardens are not only space-saving marvels, but also a delight to behold. They add a touch of whimsy and charm to any setting. Section 5. Repurposed Wonders. Vertical gardening with recycled materials, calling all eco-conscious gardeners. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to repurpose and upcycle materials, giving them a new lease on life. Let your creativity run wild as you transform everyday objects into unique and sustainable vertical gardens. Old wooden pallets can be easily converted into vertical planters, while plastic bottles can be transformed into hanging gardens. Use recycled tin cans to create a quirky herb wall, or give old tires a new purpose as colorful planters. Vertical gardening with recycled materials is not only environmentally friendly, but also a budget-friendly way to indulge in your green thumb. Section 6. Vertical vegetables, growing food upwards. Who says you need a sprawling backyard to grow your own food? Vertical gardening allows you to cultivate your favorite vegetables even in the smallest of spaces. Choose vining vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, or peas that naturally climb upwards. Provide them with sturdy supports like trellises, bamboo canes, or even strings. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting fresh, homegrown vegetables from your very own vertical garden. Section 7. Herbs reaching for the sky vertical herb gardens. Fresh herbs not only enhance the flavor of our meals, but also fill our homes with their intoxicating aromas. Create a vertical herb garden and enjoy a constant supply of these culinary delights. Use hanging planters, tiered stands, or even a repurposed wooden ladder to display your herb collection. Choose herbs like basil, rosemary, thyme, and mint that thrive in well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. A vertical herb garden not only adds beauty to your kitchen, but also makes cooking a more enjoyable and flavorful experience. Section 8. Blooming Beauty's vertical gardens for flowers. Vertical gardens are not just for foliage, they also provide the perfect canvas to showcase a riot of colorful blooms. Imagine a cascade of vibrant flowers cascading down your walls, transforming your surroundings into a floral paradise. Choose trailing flowers like petunias, lobelia, or verbena for a dramatic effect. Alternatively, opt for compact flowering plants like pansies, violas, or marigolds for a cheerful and vibrant display. Vertical flower gardens add a touch of elegance, beauty, and fragrance to any space, turning ordinary walls into extraordinary works of art. Section 9. Maintaining your vertical paradise. Tips for success. Creating a vertical garden is just the beginning. Maintaining it is where the real work and joy lie. Once you've created your vertical garden, it's essential to give it the care it needs to thrive. Consistent attention and proper techniques will ensure your garden remains a lush green sanctuary. Follow these maintenance tips to ensure your vertical paradise flourishes year after year. A well-maintained garden not only looks beautiful, but also promotes healthy plant growth and longevity. Watering vertical gardens tend to dry out faster than traditional gardens, so regular watering is crucial. Make sure to water deeply and thoroughly to reach all the plants. Check the moisture level of the growing medium regularly and water accordingly. Use your finger or a moisture meter to ensure the soil is neither too dry nor too wet. Fertilizing. Provide your vertical garden with the necessary nutrients by fertilizing every few weeks during the growing season. Nutrient-rich soil is key to vibrant, healthy plants. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer or slow-release granules. Both options can provide the essential nutrients your plants need to grow strong and healthy. Pruning. Regularly prune any dead, damaged, or overgrown plants to maintain the shape and health of your vertical garden. Pruning encourages new growth and helps prevent disease. By following these tips, you can enjoy a thriving vertical garden that brings beauty and tranquility to your space. Happy gardening. With a little love and care, your vertical garden will reward you with lush greenery, vibrant blooms, and a sense of accomplishment.